Remember, please get your parents' consent before attempting any activity.
Hey y'all, this is Miss Ross, the Activity Boss. Today we're going to work on a technology-focused lesson, and we're going to keep working in Scratch. Remember, Scratch is a block-based programming language built for kids. So today I'm going to teach you how to do digital storytelling. I'm going to teach you how to create two characters and have them talk to each other, but we're going to use code to make it happen. So today we're going to work with the broadcast block. And the broadcast block is an event, which means it can make an action start happening. So broadcast is basically a message that's sent through the Scratch platform, and it tells something when to start and then when to stop. So we're going to use that to teach your characters how to talk to each other. You're going to end with a broadcast. It's going to send it to the other character and tell it to start talking. I'm going to teach you how to do it.
We're going to go to scratch.mit.edu and hit create. Now you're going to start by choosing two sprites. I'm going to choose two dinosaurs. And if you want to flip a sprite, you can go to costumes and hit flip horizontal. Now I'm going to choose a backdrop. Alright. Also, you can click here, and we need an extension for this project. So you're going to click text to speech. Now we have some extra blocks. The tricky part of this lesson is learning two rules. Everything a character says needs to end with a broadcast block. The next character will need a when I receive message block at the top, so they can start talking next. This tells your character when to start and stop talking. The second thing is that your code needs two columns. One column will show speech bubbles with your character's words, and the other will make them speak. They need to be separate columns so the code runs at the exact same time, and the text bubble appears right when the character talks. Otherwise, there will be a lag. So now we're going to work on the code. So you're going to click on your first dinosaur, and click when this sprite clicked. And we need two columns. For the left-hand column, we're going to do the speech bubble. So you're going to click say hello for 2 seconds, and then you're going to end with a broadcast block. On the right-hand column, you're going to go to text to speech. You're going to set the language to English, set the voice to alto, but I'm actually going to change it to giant. It seems like kind of a giant dinosaur. And then you're going to add speak hello. So now when I click on
hello,
my dinosaur, he'll say hello. Now let's do our other dinosaur. So now you're going to click the when I receive message one block and make two columns. For the left-hand column, we're going to do the speech bubble, and we're going to end with a broadcast block. But now this is the second message, so we need to name it message 2. For the right-hand column, I'm going to set the language to Spanish, actually. It's going to be a Spanish dinosaur. And we're going to set the voice to alto. And we're going to have her speak and say, hola. Make that match. All right, let's try it out.
hello,
Hola.
Perfect. Let's do one more. You're going to go back to your first dinosaur. Now you need to start with a when I receive message block. So that the dinosaur knows when to start talking. So when he receives a message 2, he's going to say, what was that? And then you're going to end with a broadcast block, and now this is the third message. We're going to set the language to English, set the voice to giant, and have him say, what was that? Let's try it out.
hello,
Hola.
what was that?
Great, you're on your way to coding a conversation.
Now that you've learned how to use the broadcast block to make two characters talk to each other, I want you to create your own conversation. So let your imagination run wild. I want to see what you can do. And if you do end up doing our digital storytelling activity, you can post it on social media and tag us at BGC South AL and hashtag BGC Live. See you next time.